Hi there. We're in my bathroom. We're on location today. I just got out of the shower. I have my crazy animal print pajamas on, and I'm going to show you how I style my hair. I've had quite a few requests to do a hair tutorial, so I thought I have nothing better to do today while we're in self-isolation. So I decided I would flat iron my hair, and this is what my hair looks like when it's flat ironed. I usually wear it, well, you know how I usually wear it. It's wavy and curly. I prefer it that way. I think I look better when I have a lot of height up here. But I thought it would be fun just to do a different hairstyle. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will. My name is Cathy, and I do skincare, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and now hair care videos for the woman over 50. So I hope that you enjoy watching my hair tutorial. Okay, I can see myself now. This is how I blow dry my hair. I usually put 1 pump of the Lanza Healing Silk Serum, and then I smush it up in my hands and just bend my head over and concentrate on the back of my hair and the ends. I stay away from the top of my hair because I tend to have oily hair. And then I have my Dyson Hairdryer, but I take the end off, and I'll show you what I do. So basically, the Dyson Hairdryer has 3 heat levels. I fluctuate between the 2nd and 3rd level, and I just blow the air on my hair until it's about 90% dry, and then I'll use the brush. So I'll show you what I do. Okay, so my hair is pretty much dry except for a little bit here at the ends. But what I always do, I always put it on cold air, and I just give my hair a shot of cold air. I just read somewhere that you're supposed to do that. Okay, so normally for every day, I actually would just leave it like this, and that's how I wear my hair most of the time. I guess I'm lucky that I have a little bit of a wave in my hair, and just the way it's been cut, it's pretty easy to take care of. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go a step further and flat iron my hair, and I have not flat ironed my hair probably in about 3 years, so I'm going to be a little rusty at it. So keep in mind, by no means am I an expert on hair. This is just how I do things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my hair with some Firewall by AG, and it's basically just it protects your hair. It has argan oil in it, and it's made for flat ironing. It's just so your hair doesn't get dry if you flat iron a lot. So my flat iron is heating up, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of that on, and hopefully not burn my ears. Like I said, I have not done this in about 3 years. So I just basically flat iron the ends. My hair is very thick. I usually get it cut between every 4 and 5 weeks, and I am at week 6, and I have not had it colored. When did I have it colored? I haven't had it colored since January. So we're all gonna find out real fast what my natural hair color is. I really don't like my hair flat. I like it to have a lot of height on the top, but I just thought this would be fun to do. And it's getting really long. Like, if this keeps up much longer, I'll be able to have ponytail, which will be new to me. So I'm just going to spray the back a little bit. You can see I have a lot of wave in the back. And like I said, I'm not an expert on this. I know I'm probably breaking every rule there is to how to flat iron your hair, but this is what I do, so. I find it so awkward to look in the mirror and try and do things. I love my Dyson Hairdryer, and I did not edit the part where I was drying my hair at all. It really, really dries my hair fast, and I have very, very thick, wavy hair. I was really surprised the difference in drying time just from a regular blow dryer to the Dyson. So I'm happy that I got it. I'm just gonna take a peek at the back. Wow, it's really flat. Okay, I guess I need to work a little bit more on the back. I think if I still had cow clippers, I may actually consider shaving my head. I wish you could feel how thick my hair is. But my mother always tells me don't complain, because when I get to be her age, I'll start losing my hair. definitely take after my dad for hair. He had lovely, wavy, thick hair. Okay, I'm going to call it quits for the flat iron. Plug that. So now the next product I'm going to use is by AG, and it is a Drywax, and it's a matte finishing mist. So what are the directions, because I have not used this in a while? Spray on dry hair for added grit, texture, and frizz protection. Okay, well, let's see how it goes. If I remember correctly, I should be pointing this at my roots. I don't like having a lot of products in my hair because I don't like feeling that, you know, that gunky feeling when you have a lot of stuff in your hair. So this is what I look like with straight hair. I don't know if you've ever seen me with straight hair. I don't like it. I definitely prefer when it has more volume, but quite a few have asked for a hair tutorial, so this is what I look like. I know the wave is still there in the back, but oh my gosh, look at my gray roots. So that's what I look like with a ponytail. It is long enough for a little one. So that's my hair tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Please be kind. Like I said before, I'm not a professional. I need my glasses so I can see you. If you have any other video requests, be sure to shoot me a comment, and I hope that you are all staying healthy and safe, and I will see you very soon. And please subscribe if you're just landing here for the first time. Take care. Bye.